I fucked her in rush hour traffic, Chris Tucker. Everybody screaming gang, gang, gang. When folks come and get you, you gon' tell on the whole gang. She said, can she fuck me with my diamond chain? If I ain't in the bank, then I'm on the plane. About to go get some money or go spend some money. They stopped me in the airport, had too many binges on me. They don't want you to live, they don't want you to ball. Them pussy smile in your face, yeah, then they pray for you to fall. Hey, young nigga stay but I really wanna crash. Think about where you at, then think about your past. Yeah, I really came from shit, but I won't change for shit. My bitch say I'm stuck in my ways, my wrist say I've been getting paid. 100 shots, 100 shots. Me and my nigga pull up in 100.
Look at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel. But watch your mouth before I flash a bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists. Mediterranean water, my wrist. Keeping on piss, how I'm talking my shit. 6 figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate on my bag legit. These niggas with me for whatever I'm with. Didn't know who did it, got everybody hit. Bitch, I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that.
Said I'm never like it, always put you back in with the automatics. We gon' send them to heaven. Wait.
Sit by myself, talking to them. Sit by myself, talking to them.
Yeah.